in the event on Sunday. Now, a display of extraordinary 3D images showing the inner workings of plants and seeds from Brazil nuts to oak trees has gone on show at the Millennium Seed Bank at Wakehurst in Ardingly near Haywards Heath. They captured the pictures with a machine similar to a medical CT scanner that had been loaned from the Natural History Museum. And they allow scientists to discover valuable information about the secrets of the natural world. Charlie Rose explains.
It's like having a ticket to a secret underworld. What you can see here has been made possible with a CT scanner, the sort of machine normally used to investigate the human brain.
So here we have the Brazil nut in its casing, which won't be recognisable to pretty much any of us unless you've lived in the Amazon or you've seen Brazil nuts being harvested, because inside you may spot through here there are things lurking, and if we go inside to have a look, you'll see what they are. They are the Brazil nuts.
The exhibition calls itself Secret Structures, and taking centre stage here is this suspended light sculpture representing the flight of tiny orchid seeds.
I set up some black paper because these seeds were about 1 millimetre long and kind of white in colour. And so I tried off my finger, but of course it gets a bit stuck, so I tried off a knife, just slight tapping, and then watching the journeys as they sort of spiral down from there, and then trying to record that with a pencil.
It's all a far cry from what the Millennium Seed Bank is famous for, but the people in charge here want this place to be much more than a storage facility for the long-term conservation of plants.
What people will find here is that sense of amazement when you look into a plant. What we want to do is inspire curiosity about what that means and the sides of plants that we probably never think of when we're just going round the countryside or doing our own gardening.
It's a chance to peer into something usually hidden from the naked eye, encouraging a deeper appreciation of the natural world. Charlie Rose, BBC South East Today, Ardingly.
Now, Brighton artist David Henty's someone who's enjoyed one of the more unusual ways of mastering his passion while in prison. He was actually serving time for forging passports in the 90s when he discovered his talent for art and realised he was an